Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to make flavorful, aromatic, economical, healthy, easy, instant, nutritious, budget-friendly and delicious soup. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Red lentil 200 grams and yellow lentil 200 grams washed and soaked in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Boil 1 liter water and as water comes to boiling point, add lentil and cook till it gets soft and tender. Add whole spices and powdered spices, cinnamon stick 2, black cardamom 3, black peppercorns 10 to 12, salt quarter teaspoon, black pepper powder quarter teaspoon, allspice powder quarter teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon. Mix well and cook for more 5 minutes and turn the flame off. Flavorful, economical, healthy, easy, instant, nutritious, budget-friendly, aromatic and delicious lentil soup is ready to serve now. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.